Hey guys, really quickly just going to show you the inside of a Google Meet meeting. So I've already opened up Google Meet and joined, and I've also invited people myself on my iPad and my phone just to see how it worked. So I am in a meeting with myself. A couple of things to check out. Um, let me turn my camera on. Okay, so we've got my presenter view up in the corner, so this is me. And then I am showing up on my iPad. I don't know if that worked. And so my chat is up here in the corner. I can see who's here by clicking on the people. And then just a heads up down in the corner here, I can change my layout of my screen. Currently I'm in sidebar mode, so I can see who's here. And if there were more people, there would be more sidebars. And I just wanted to show you what happens when you present on here. So I'm going to open a window, and that's how I'm going to present. So your window could be a Google slide, it could be a web page, it could be really whatever you're presenting. So I'm going to select our library web page, and now it's loading, and now you can see on my screen, I can see that I am presenting my I can see that I'm presenting, which is great. So on a student's screen, if they're using an iPad at least, I can see our participants and my teacher, and my main screen is the screen share. So now I can, show them what I want to show them as I narrate on here on my screen. And then once I'm done presenting, just hit stop presenting and you should be all set. So it's pretty seamless. It's pretty easy. You just hit that present now. You can either do your entire screen or just a window of your screen. And you can change your layout. You can turn on captions. You can do full screen settings. So your settings are for your audio and your speakers and your video. So make sure that if you have a webcam, you're setting all of that up prior to your meeting and all of that. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to email me, mtoll@luhs18.org. I'm around and I will help you out as much as I can. There are a lot of great tutorials on YouTube for how to use Google Meet the best way. And if you have any questions, Lori Lisai is available for help as well. Have a great day.